If you want to make your A1 in marketing, these are the topics from which your marketing questions will come. Just pay attention. I will give you a rundown of all the topics, then I may now break it down for you. I hope you are here. I'm giving you from the official WAEC syllabus. Number 1 is Introduction to Marketing. Introduction to Marketing. I will say come back and give you a rundown of all of them. Marketing concepts. Marketing concept. These are all available in your textbook. So today, go over to your textbook and do final reading on this. These are the areas your questions must come from. Marketing mix and marketing environment. Marketing mix and marketing environment. Products. I hope you are following. Markets. I'm giving you this because I believe that you can make A1 in marketing. I want you to claim it. Type I claim it. That you will make distinction in marketing. Claim it in the comment section. Number 6, consumer and organizational behavior. Consumer and organizational behavior. Marketing planning and research. Marketing planning and research. Marketing planning and research. If you go to your marketing textbook now, you will see this topic. Pricing. These things. So I'm giving you things to expect because they will come out. Advertising. These are the things to expect because you will see them. Sales promotion. Merchandising. Remember that you can make your A1. You can make your distinction if you study hard. So I know you have been reading marketing. Use this video, these topics I'm giving you to do final revision as you plan and prepare to face your marketing. This year's WAEC is serious. This year's WAEC is very, very serious. You can see how there was mass failure in JAM. It's not your portion. It's not your portion. I want you to claim it that it's not failure in WAEC. It's not your portion. I want you to claim it. If you believe it, then let's keep reading. Distribution will also come out. I'm telling you what I know will come out, both in your objectives and in your theory. Transportation. This is another topic that, in fact, this one comes out yearly, both WAEC and NECO. Warehousing will come out. Market unions will come out. If you have been studying your marketing textbook or your marketing teacher is sound, then these are things you know. International marketing will also come out. Okay. ICT in marketing. That is, who can tell me the full meaning of ICT? Let me even start from there. Come under the comment. Who can tell me? Just tell me in the comment section the full meaning of ICT. Right now. Don't dodge it. It's an assignment. Tell me now. Entrepreneurship and marketing will come out. These are just 18 of them. Okay, now let me give you a little breakdown of each of them. I hope you are following. You will pass your JAM, your WAEC very well. Okay, let's look at the first. Introduction to marketing. Under it, learn explanation of market, of basic terms in marketing. These are needs, wants, demands, product, exchange, transaction, market. Brief history of marketing in Nigeria or Ghana or Gambia or Sierra Leone. Please come under the comment of this video and tell me the country you are writing your WAEC from. It will guide me to give you more videos. And if there's any subject you want me to do a video like this for you on that will help you to pass, please also tell me in the comment section. That is, if you're already a member of our channel. How do you become a member? You become a member when you click on join. You can see join, just click on it and become a member. Meaning of marketing concept, various marketing concepts like production, products, selling, marketing, and societal marketing. Marketing mix and marketing environment. Meaning of marketing mix, meaning of marketing environment. 4 elements, 4 P's of marketing mix and marketing environment. Explain marketing environment. Factors affecting marketing environment like political factors, cultural factors, religious factors, economic factors, technological factors, and social factors. Note these things. I'm giving you an expo. Don't say I've not helped you. Products. Under products, lead things like classification of products, distinction between classes of products, product design. Markets. Read meaning of market, classification of market like consumer market, organizational market like industrial, reseller, and government. Read up these things. Consumer and organizational behavior. Read up their meaning, factors influencing them, and decision process in logical order. Marketing planning and research. Marketing planning and research. Read up meaning, process, and importance of marketing planning and research. Element of marketing planning. Information required for marketing planning. Research. Reasons for marketing planning and research. Utilization of feedback. Read up pricing. Under pricing, read meaning of pricing, strategies for pricing like haggling, cost plus, demand and competition, application of strategies, pricing determinants. Read up these things. So please do a final minute reading. Settle down. Do a basic revision of these things before you enter your marketing hall. And if these things I'm saying comes out, please come under the comment letter and say give me your testimony that it came out. Advertising, definition of advertising, functions of advertising, media, meaning, types, advantages and disadvantages, production of sample adverts. Read up sales promotion, meaning and functions of sales promotion, forms, price of coupons, salesman competition, royalty schemes, premium offers, trading allowance, sampling, training schemes, and merchandising incentives. Then read up merchandising, meaning of merchandising, elements, packaging, branding and labeling, influencing factors, functions. Read up distribution, like definition of distribution, channels of distribution, factors influencing choice of distribution, functions of channel members. Read up transportation, meaning of mode, choice, documents used in transportation, factors affecting choice of transportation. Read up warehousing, meaning types and functions of warehousing, activities in warehousing. Read up market unions, roles of market unions, market facilitators, meaning types and roles. I hope you are following. International marketing, meaning, importance, reason, and methods of engaging in international marketing, influencing factors, guiding rules of and regulations of international marketing. ICT marketing. Remember, I gave you an assignment. Come under the comment if you have not done it. Tell me the full meaning of ICT. E-marketing, electronic marketing, meaning, importance, uses, ethics, and abuses. Then we look at the final one, entrepreneurship in marketing, meaning of entrepreneurship and entrepreneur, sources of funds for an entrepreneur, factors affecting location of a market outlet, management of market outlets, purchase and supply of goods and services, selling and bargaining skills. These are the things you should read up. Remember to join our YouTube channel. Just click on join now and join. If you want to be able to chat with me on WhatsApp, ask me your questions, join our YouTube channel. You can see join, click on join. Beyond that, like this video, click on like now. Share this video here on YouTube, copy the link, share it everywhere, on WhatsApp status, on all the groups, your class group. Share this video to them right now. Let them watch before they enter the marketing WAEC hall. Then finally subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorial. Just click on subscribe. Once you subscribe, let me know in the comment section.